Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to back up your Big Cartel store. First, log into your Big Cartel account and go to your dashboard. Unlike some platforms, Big Cartel does not have a one-click full backup feature, so you'll need to manually save your store data. Next, go to the product section and carefully export or copy your product details, including titles, descriptions, prices, and images. Download your product images to your computer for safe storage. After that, go to your order section and keep a record of your order history. You can copy important customer information or download any available reports if your plan supports it. Make sure to also save any custom content, such as pages, store descriptions, and design settings from the shop designer. If you are using third-party tools like Printful, email marketing, or analytics, log into those platforms as well and back up your connected data. Finally, store everything in a secure folder on your computer or cloud storage service like Google Drive for easy access later. And that's it. You've successfully backed up your Big Cartel store manually. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.